Hi everybody, wonderful world of nature here. Not sure what bay I'm looking at, but it's incredibly beautiful. I'm here at the Big Buddha. I'll show you in a second, it's right behind me. And I kid you not, it is big. That elephant ride was an amazing experience. This country is just so beautiful. As you can see, it's just incredible. The beautiful blue ocean out there, and as you can see, marina everywhere. So, people here are friendly, and look at that. It's just a magical place, it really is. I could live here for sure, but I think I would be very tempted to free all the elephants and release them and let them live the way they want to naturally. And there is the Big Buddha. It's as you can see, it's huge, and all those steps. Yeah, look at all those steps. But I'm about to do it and enjoy it. So Buddhism at its finest. So glad I came here. Thanks for the tip, Peter. And yeah, thanks to everyone who supported me through tough times, and now I'm here, so happy days. Okay everyone, I'm going to go and climb that now, so I'll video more soon. Bye for now.